Hey, what's going on, beautiful people? Aiden A.D. here, and I'm here at the Culture Experience in Atlanta, Georgia. It's an interactive experience in which you can walk through and take photos on different sets, admiring the hip hop and urban culture of Atlanta in the 90s. Now, as you can look around, this resembles the Cascade Skating Rink, which is a famous skating rink here in Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm pretty sure you've seen it in the movie ATL with T.I. and Laura London. Now, right here is Alima. Alima's wave. She is our ticket person. She is awesome. So whenever you come here, make sure you say hi to Alima. Now let's take a look at this experience. We walk through the doors, and each experience has a different theme, dealing with music, dealing with 90s attire, your favorite TV shows, and all that good stuff. Even Atlanta Freaknik, look here, do epic stuff. So every exhibit has a theme to it. So as you can see right here in the classroom, admiring the HBCU pride. So as you can see, we have flags of different colleges just around the South. Around, but the most notable colleges is, of course, Morehouse, Clark Atlanta University, Spelman, just to name a few here in Atlanta. Look behind here, I'm pretty sure you know this person. This is MLK, civil rights leader, innovator, great thinker, great public speaker. Around here, it's not a hip hop display without Vibe magazine. Vibe magazine has been around since the early 90s, showcasing different talents from music, movies, and culture creatives of the 90s. A whole montage of Vibe covers. You can sit here, get your photo taken. Don't kill my vibe. Around here we have LaFace Records, and I'm pretty sure you know of Mr. Kenneth Babyface Evans and L.A. Reid. Right here some plaques from Soul Food Soundtrack. Tony Braxton, don't forget the Diamond. I said Diamond, Speaker Box and the Love Below by Outkast, and one of the best girl groups of all time, TLC. It wouldn't be Atlanta music without Outkast, TLC, Ludacris, and T.I., just to name a few. Come around here, admiring our famous black cartoon characters, Josie and the Pussycats, Cyborg, of course you know the Boondocks, Skeeter, even though he's blue, he's black, blue black. That was a joke. Don't take that serious. Dejanay, Pretty Proud Family. Now, Atlanta, one of the most staple parts about Atlanta is Freaknik. I wish it would bring it back so I can enjoy it as an adult. However, I was in Atlanta when it happened, so we have our Freaknik car right here. ATL 95, Freaknik on the wall. Got your car, you can chill, get a little photo action going on, chill. Old school speakers bumping out that ATL crank music. So come on in, take a photo. Now, we're still not done with the exhibit. Come on this way. We have our 90s wall right here showcasing you artists from Atlanta or either got their start in Atlanta. Talk about Monica, Usher, Sierra, Outkast, Ludacris. Who am I missing? Youngbloods, Goody Mob, and the Dungeon Family. The Brat and So Def and Crisscross. So you come here, got the Krispy Kreme. It's not Atlanta without the Krispy Kreme donuts, hot and fresh. Oh, sorry, this is mine. This is Lil Kim, Notorious K.I.M. That's me. Excuse me. Look away. She's not dressed. Of course, the highest rating franchise in the Housewives franchise is the Atlanta Housewives. So you come over here, get a photo with your peach, hold your peach up, and maybe one of these days, you take that perfect picture in front of this backdrop right here, you may become an Atlanta Housewives. Start your own brand and all that $1 million stuff. Over here, of course, in my opinion, black people make Atlanta. So this is all about the social justice wall. A lot of posters here saying different messages dealing with social inequality, social justices, and all that good stuff. And never forget, Black Lives Matter. One of the best hip hop groups to come out of Atlanta, of course, is Outkast. And this is what this backdrop is going to resemble. You know, Andre with the crazy wigs and the crazy jumpsuits and fashions. And this is like a little homage to what he was saying at the time. And of course, there it is. Stank on your Bonds Over Baghdad. Miss Jackson, so fresh and so clean. Got some records on the wall, got some keyboards on the wall, got a little ukulele action going on. I only know like 4 notes on this, so bear with me. Love, live, create. This is what this backdrop is about behind you. So you go here, take a photo, pose, paint on the wall a little bit. I took a picture earlier with my mask on, so it's a cool backdrop to put your mask on, stand on, and get some cool photos. Behind you, now, I want you to take a good look at that. Take a look at the wall behind you. Now, I'm pretty sure you know that logo, you know those letters, but it's not all that, it's ATL that. So once again, this experience is dedicating to the urban culture and hip hop of Atlanta in the 90s. So you remember all that. My voice today, it's, excuse me. But you know, this is all that, but it's ATL that, okay? And the last thing in this exhibition is the throne. Atlanta has a lot of royalty, whether it be civil rights, music, hip hop, movies, all that good stuff. Atlanta is full of royalty, so you sit on this throne right here. Make sure you bring your own crown because I'm pretty sure it's going to be worth a shot. Just take here, look regal, look sophisticated, look classy. And there you have it, beautiful people. This is the cultural experience here at 521 Tiff Street in Atlanta, Georgia. It will be here until the fall. So when you come here, take as many photos as you can, make it a group trip. Make sure you bring your mask and some hand sanitizer, but make sure your phone is on full battery because you're gonna be taking a lot of pictures here. For any more information, visit culturalexperience.com or look for them on Instagram at Cultural Experience, and make sure you use the hashtag Culture Experience ATL. And until we meet again, safe travel.